1, 2, 3. We got our flint and steel kettle boil competition. We got our kindling piled the way we want it underneath. We're looking for our first flame to get this fire burning. We have some natural tinder mixed in with some artificial tinder like cotton ball and Vaseline. Who will be our first flame? We got flame, and they're off and running. We got a little wind today, so think about how the wind could be your advantage. The first kettle to boil is the winner, and they'll win the most marks for this particular challenge. If you need a spell on someone else to do the flint and steel. So we got one group up and going. We got the second group. We got fire over here. Third group is on. Here we go. Fuel your fire. Fuel the fire.
I may have done.
Well, realign it. It's your can.
Should I go get more stuff, do you think?
Hey, there's one rule of fires. You never have enough fuel wood. Never have enough.
I'm gonna go get more stuff. I'll be back.
Forage. Forage in the woods.
Oh, that's really too bad.
If you're all in the wood, you gotta forage.
That wind is terrible.
We're still waiting for flame for a couple. Oh, we got people going. They're heading to the woods. They're finding more fuel wood.
You want me to go searching? Okay, keep going.
All right. Hey, we even got a little bit of froth here in that kettle. Little froth. Yes? All right, I'll let the second flint and steel come into play. Bag's right here. If someone wants to grab a second one to help out, go for it. Whatever it takes to get them going. Oh, here we go. Look at that oxygen. Fueling that fire, the wind is. Here we go, look at this. They got a can close to the fire. We got flame! Team effort, boys. Team efforts. Team efforts.
We need some gas, bro.
Closer.
This guy's got a good coal bed though, right now. Lots of fuel wood. That could be it, Jack. That could be the game changer right there. That could be the game changer. Those sticks.
Oh, it's boiling.
I think so. We're starting to see a roll.
Yeah, on that side I see you.
Starting to see a roll.
Fan the flame. Come on, would you?
Oh. Oh.
Oh, yeah, there's another
Here
one.
goes. Here she comes. Here comes. Here comes the boil. There it is.